Hello, welcome to the introduction to Module 3 of our course, EDU 1120, Introduction to Teaching. I hope you're moving right along with your assignments. Finish Modules 1 and 2. Be sure to check the grade book, make sure everything that you've turned in has been graded. I don't want to end up cheating somebody by not grading materials for you. In Module 3, we're going to be looking at the broad topic of designing instruction. This is going to be a very quick look, just a very short look. It's not that long a module, but one just has really basic terminology for you to be aware of. The module consists of 2 lessons. Lesson number 6 is designing effective instruction. It's a fairly long lesson. It has a lot of different topics in there. We'll start out by giving just a brief definition of what instructional design is, the 4 different steps of instructional design. Very quickly, we'll define the history of technology in education. We don't hit history very much in this class. We don't talk about technology all that much in this class. We just want to make you aware of the technological changes taking place in education. Third item in this lesson is students. We'll be looking at some of the different ways you can classify students, some of the different ways you can look at diversity that you'll find within your classroom situation when you do become a teacher. We'll be looking at 9 different characteristics of students. The next topic is that of behavioral objectives. Behavioral objectives is something you're going to have to grasp, you have to learn. This is a very important component in education. Behavioral objectives have been around about 60, 70 years now, and it's got to be something you got to know how to write a good behavioral objective. And the behavioral objective will be using a model which has 3 components: the conditions, the action verb, and the criteria. So be sure to cover all 3 of these different components of a behavioral objective. Next thing we'll look at is the 5 different types of instructional activities that a teacher should be aware of in the classroom as they go about designing their lessons. We'll also look at the instruction environment. Creating an environment that's conducive to good instruction is an important factor for teachers to be able to do. Next we'll look at classroom communication. Basically, we'll be looking at just really the overall general topic of communication. Many of the problems that we face in the classroom is that of lack of communication. So we're going to be looking at some of the different components of the model of communication. Then finally, we're going to look at effective preparation of effective lessons. This is just a little short summary I've come up with. This tells you how to go about designing an effective lesson in a very efficient manner. That's lesson number 6. Lesson number 7, very, very basic. Just scan over chapter 7. You probably already know most of this information in lesson 7. This deals with the computer, setting up and operating the classroom computer. The main purpose of this assignment is to give you just a common set of vocabulary for computers. You probably already had computer literacy, so you already know most of these. We'll look over these, look over what we define as a computer system. So this is module number 3 in our course. Look over the material. If you have any questions, again, address them on the discussion board. I'm here to help you. Your classmates are here to help you. I'm on location, so to speak, today. I'm up in Knoxville, Tennessee. You probably can see in the water behind me the UT sculling team is out practicing today. In the far background, you can see over my shoulder is the Thompson Bowling Arena and the home of the Tennessee Vols. So I've got turned over to a trader today for all of us TBR people. And the noise you're hearing are the trains going across the railroad track where it sounds like it's fixing to drown me out here just any moment. Anyway, welcome to module number 3. Let me know if you have any questions on anything. I'll be happy to help you any way I can.